In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group records in Airtable. Organize Data 2026. Open your browser and head to airtable.com. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. If not, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Keep this part quick and simple. If you're prompted for any security checks, such as a verification code, complete those to finish logging in. Once that's done, you'll be ready to organize your data. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is the home base where you can see your workspaces, your recent items, and quick access to bases you've opened lately. It's a great place to orient yourself, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. On the dashboard, look through the Recent section to find a base you want to work with. You can also browse your workspace if you don't see it immediately. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new base from scratch, but for today, choose any base that already has records so you can see grouping in action. Once you've opened your base, you're inside the base view. Here, you'll see your tables and views across the top or left, depending on your layout. If you're using a Kanban style view, that's perfect for visual grouping. We'll use that as our example. In your table, we're going to add a field that helps group any records that are currently unrecognized or need categorizing. Think of this field as a label that pulls scattered items into clear buckets. Click the plus button to add a new column. Give it a specific, meaningful name so it's obvious what belongs there. Keep the name short and clear, like a tag you'll be comfortable using across the team. The idea is to make grouping intuitive at a glance. Good naming makes everything easier to scan later. Now that the field exists, start organizing. In a Kanban view, each column represents a value for that field, so dragging records into the new column instantly groups them under that label. Grab any records that aren't recognized or are uncategorized and drag them into the newly added column. As you do this, Airtable updates the records field value and collects them together, making your data far easier to review, prioritize, and manage. Take a moment to scan the results and confirm nothing was left behind. That's it. You went from the dashboard to your base, added a clear field for grouping, and organized your records by simply dragging them into place. Save your work, and you'll have a cleaner, more structured Airtable ready for your next session.